Hello guys, welcome back to my step-by-step tutorial video on how to trade the forex market. And today we'll be talking about candlestick. So if you are new to this channel, kindly go back and watch my previous videos. So on IMT5 we have three different types of charts. We have the line chart, the bar chart, and the candlestick chart. So we'll be focusing on the candlestick chart because it is the most widely and popular used chart because of the tons of information they display on our screen. So as a beginner, we'll be looking at the type of candlestick and the structure of candlestick. So let's start with the structure of candlestick. As seen here, candlestick is basically composed of a body and a wick. Some people call it tails. Candlestick form in a given period of time. For example, the candlestick on a 4-hour time frame will open and close within 4 hours. So let's talk about the structure of candlestick. We have the body and the wick. The body composed of the opening aspect and the closing aspect of a candlestick. They are the thick place of the candlestick. They compose of the opening place and the closing place of a candlestick. While the wick, the tiny, some people call it tail, composed of the highest point and the lowest point a candlestick has ever reached. The wick will display the highest point and the lowest point the candlestick has ever reached on our chart. As you can see, for example, here, this is the highest point the candlestick has ever reached and the lowest point the candlestick has ever reached, which is the wick, and the body, this is the opening spot the candlestick has ever reached, and this is the closing spot of the candlestick. So that's the structure of candlestick. And we can only have two forms of candlestick on our chart. It can either be the bullish candlestick or the bearish candlestick. The bullish candlestick is the green candlestick, which indicates market is going upward, while the bearish candlestick is the red candlestick, which indicates the market is going downward. So it can be in form of any color. It can be green and red. On certain charts, it can be black and white. You can customize it to be blue and green, so any color you want. So the most widely used color is green and red or black and white candlestick. Now we are going to talk about the type of candlestick we have. So we have so many types of candlestick, and they include the Aramis, the Marabuzo, the hammer, the hanging man, the shooting star, the inverted hammer, the spinning top, and the doji. So they have different structure. So the Aramis is a candlestick with a body and a short wick. It has a long body and a short wick. That is the Aramis. So the Marabuzo is a candlestick with one side wick, which means one side is level and the other side has a tiny wick. So that is the Marabuzo. So the hammer is a candlestick with a tiny body, a short wick at the top, and a long wick at the bottom. A type of candlestick with the shape of hammer. So that's why they call it hammer. It has a tiny wick at the top, a long wick at the bottom, and a tiny body. So a hanging man is also a candlestick with the shape of hammer. So different structure with hammer, but the difference is that the hanging man is found during the uptrend at the ending of uptrend, while the hanging man is found at the ending of downtrend. That's the only difference between them. They are the same structure, they have the same body, the same wick, but the only thing that the hanging man is found at the uptrend, while the hanging man is found at the downtrend. So the shooting star is an hammer, but a reverse hammer, a hammer that is turned upside down. It has a long wick at the top and a short wick at the bottom. It's also in shape of hammer but turned upside down. While the inverted hammer is also the same structure as the shooting star, but the only difference they have is that the inverted hammer is found at the uptrend, while the shooting star is found at the downtrend. So that's the only difference between the shooting star and the inverted hammer. While the next candlestick is the spinning top. The spinning top is a candlestick with a long wick and a small body. It indicates indecision in the market. So a candlestick with a long wick and a small body. While the doji is a candlestick with a long wick. It can either be a long wick or short wick, a bit little or no body, a very tiny body. Like the opening is almost at the same as the close. So that's the doji candlestick. So that's all we have on our candlestick type. We have the Aramis, the Marabuzo, the hammer, the hanging man, the shooting star, the inverted hammer, the spinning top, and the doji. So that's all on the structure of candlestick and the type of candlestick. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you. In our next video, we'll be discussing about the structure of the candlestick.